Shreya is with us. Shreya, please, over to you as we see these protesters really gaining steam and it's now turned quite violent with tear gas shells being used.
Well, yes, and because of that, Nabila, you can see here the protest march is yet to reach. Even then, because of the kind of protest that has already spiraled near the Howrah Bridge and the Shatragachi area, the police deployment over here, they are constantly enhancing and building up more security layers. You can see that containers being moved again and again, more barricades being put in place. Now the water cannon will actually be stationed just near the containers over there. So you can see that even before the protest march can reach this point, because of the kind of visuals that are coming in from the other crucial points, this is the strategic development that is taking place here at the Hastings point. Clearly, Kolkata police this time do not want to leave any stone unturned. They have received quite a lot of criticism in the last time, how they handled the protest. That is why huge deployment. I don't think that we have seen this kind of a deployment for a protest before, and these kind of arrangements from putting mobile oil on the barricades to ensure that it's slippery to this. Clearly, it's a very unprecedented situation that we can see over here on the ground.
Right, there was a lot of aspersions being cast on these protesters. The TMC constantly saying this is a conspiracy, that the BJP is trying to cause chaos on the streets, and they're planning to incite violence through this march. This is being pushed deliberately by the BJP, etc. Would you be able to elaborate on that, Shreya, on the political backing that this protest may have? The Congress and the CPIM too, we hear, pulled out of these protests last minute.
Well, yes, you can see that the protesters here on the ground, they are, they have obviously taken situations in that there have been some few incidents reported that protesters were trying to break the barricade and march ahead. That's exactly why this kind of deployment has been put in place. Clearly, the police on the ground is now going to move the water cannon, station it near the containers. They are going to put ensure that the protesters, even if they try to come forward, they try to march forward, they are unable to do that. So this is the deployment you can see on the ground. Policemen stationed just near to ensure that this time the protests do not spiral out of hand. And clearly, as I was mentioning, this is all the more being done because on the intervening night of 14th and 15th of August, when the vandalism took place in Arjikar, this protest clearly spiraled out of hand. And today, so that the visuals of those are not repeated again, is why this kind of deployment has been made by the Kolkata police. We are at the Hastings point. This is the strategic point which leads to Nabando to ensure that the protesters do not cross this point onward. The police has made a heavy deployment. This is nothing less than a fortress that the entire Hastings point has been made into.